Assalamualaikum friends, here is 30 logo with two different format, one for Adobe Illustrator and one for Adobe Photoshop user. Okay, S but these files are protected password in this app Google Play Store by now for lifetime. And here is Telegram channel. Join me on Telegram channel Sheri official. Okay, so here is you can edit everything in Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. AI and EPS file is available. Open this one. First you need this type of font and your logo is ready, and you can change any color. Studio Go. Okay, here is just a font, and you can find font on web. You need this font. Sheri SK. Subscribe me. Write anything. You need this one font. Depend your own choice, you can do anything, but first you need this type of font. Okay, these are CMYK color. Same thing here, just you need a font and you can edit everything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and take care of this.